In this video, let's see what is retargeting campaign and how to create one. A retarget campaign is used to reach users from previous campaigns who didn't engage with the SMS in any way. It sends another round of messages to try and re-engage them. To start, click on the SMS in the navigation bar. Then, click on Retargeting Campaign button. Enter the campaign name in the campaign name field. Select the sender from the drop-down list. Choose a contact group from the drop-down list. Click on the Compose Email button to proceed. Select a template group from the drop-down options. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose a template. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the form to proceed. Here you can see the preview of the campaign along with recipient count and credit usage. Click the Start Campaign button at the bottom of the page to initiate this retargeting campaign. In the confirmation pop-up, click the Confirm button to proceed. Click the View All Campaigns button to see the list of campaigns. Click the View button next to the campaign to see campaign in detail. Here you can see the sender, recipient, credit usage details along with status of the campaign on individual recipient level. Thank you for watching.